Hey guys, you can start earning just by learning HTML, CSS, and some JavaScript. Yes, you heard right. You can start earning just by learning one skill. Only you should know how to convert your skill in money making machine. In this video, I am going to share 4 steps how you can learn HTML, CSS, and you can start earning just by learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So watch this video till the end, take a lot of notes, and if you like this video, hit on like button and share with your friends. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for watching such kinds of videos. Hey guys, in this session I'm going to tell you how you can start earning just by learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It is not necessary to learn everything from JavaScript and CSS. Only few things you can learn and immediately you can start to implement them by developing some web projects. Now here I'm going to share you a 4-step formula to understand how you can learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript and immediately start earning by these. So let's jump into mind map and let's try to understand these 4 steps. Okay, now how to earn money with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now the first step, that as usual, is learning skill. Already I have uploaded one video in last week where I have explained a step-by-step formula to learn different skills and make them useful to earn money. If you haven't watched that video, please click on this link and watch that video and come back to this. Now, the first thing is you need to learn skills. Now here, what you have to exactly learn, you have to learn different tags in HTML. And nowadays, we are not writing everything in HTML, but HTML page or HTML code gets generated. Even if you can develop some pages directly from ChatGPT, you don't need to write everything from your own. See, a lot of AI tools are available in the market. We need to use them effectively so that you can save your efforts, your time, and you can start generating more money, or you can generate more in less time. So that is very important. So what you have to do is you have to use different tools that will generate HTML code for you. But for some kind of customization, you should know what are different tags used in HTML and how to use them, or what are different attributes. If something is required to edit from your side, you should be able to do it. Then you must know how to create CSS and what is the exact way to create CSS and use it for saving your time or creating simplest web application or websites. And then you need to learn some JavaScript so that you can create some effective animations or dynamic web pages. In some cases, you need to validate some data if it is a database related website. Otherwise, normally for beginning phase, we are using JavaScript for developing small animations. Now, once you are learning those skills, that is possible in learning just in within 1 month. You can practice those skills by creating small web pages or websites. And some additional practices you have to do is what is domain, what is URL, how to register a domain. The second thing, how to go for hosting. Now, what are different hosting providers are there? What kind of hostings they are providing? What are their charges? So you have to learn domain name registration and hosting, and then you have to start with a small web project, or you can take it as a pilot project. So you need to develop a small website by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You need to create one domain name and then host your website and check whether everything works properly or not. You can use this pilot project to showcase your work and to get new orders from the clients. The third thing you need to have is you need to go for some demo projects. Initially, it is possible that nobody will give you paid projects. So what you can do is find out someone who is your friend or a neighbor or someone who has a small business and who don't have a website. Now you can develop a website for him. You can give value to him. Only take payment for domain name and hosting charges and give your services free of cost. Now, if you are making that person happy, just ask him that whoever your friends are in the same business, please give my name and give my just go create my publicity so that you will get a project. Now, develop a demo project so that you can show what is the variety you do have and what are different sample sites you are creating. So demo projects, some dummy projects you can create, some templates, some sample pages you can create, and one free project you can create so that you can show your variety and what are different options available to you, available with you, and client can see your creativity and they can give you a project. Now, fourth step that is very important. Till step number three, we are learning and creating something. But in step number four, that is very crucial and very important. Majority of people fail at this step number four, that is getting a client. Now, how to get a client is a skill. It is having different category. Now, you can get clients for simple websites from two different locations. Number one, you can start from a local market or you can get it from freelancing. Now I am focusing for beginning level. You can find out someone from your local market. Now here I am giving you a trick. Here you are developing a small websites. You are not having a knowledge to create big websites or big web applications. So what you have to find out? You can find out the people, those who are doing business at individual level. For example, carpenters, plumbers, they are giving their services to the society, but they do not have their website. So what you can do is you can create a separate package for such people. You can find out their contact numbers from directory, from your friends, or you can just Google them. Sometimes it is possible that you will get their numbers from online, but they do not have website. So you can get the contact number, call them, offer your services, give a simplified package. And I will tell you a most important part of this. These people don't expect too much things in their websites. What their need is very simple. They want to highlight their work and they need to get some clients through websites. Now what you can do is you can develop a web page and you can also suggest them for some local Facebook advertisement, or you can do on behalf of them. You can learn how to put Facebook advertisement, and you can link your Facebook advertisement with the that static website so that people can find out the contact number of that carpenter or plumber or that kind of services and offer them. Additionally, what you can do is you can create your own website where you are going to sell some services. So what you can do is you can provide such services, carpenter services, car washing services. Now people will contact you, and what you will do is you will contact such people and you will get a commission on behalf of them. So you can charges money from client and you can keep your commission and you can give to some part of that to the carpenter or plumber or a car washing serviceman, whatever. So these are different ways how you can start making money just by learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now coming to the freelancing, what we have to do is you have to create your profile on freelancing services. Now this is very important and I am having a separate session on this, how to create your profile on different social media sites, how to create your profile on freelancing websites, and how to showcase your projects, your work, your capabilities so that you can attract the clients from within country or from outside the country, and you can earn in dollars. Now just by learning HTML and CSS, some students have started earning in dollars. Believe me, they are earning too much money just by implementing few graphical designing and web development services. So this is possible to earn money from just HTML and CSS. No doubt there are tools available. They are making free websites. Some templates are available. But even though there are ready-made AI applications, you can start earning money. You can use those AI tools to make web pages for you. You can increase your productivity, you can increase your knowledge, and you can generate more number of sites within less time. So that is possible. So you can enhance your productivity and you can earn more. So this is possible. I hope you have got a clear idea how you can start earning just by learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And you can join my community if you want to learn everything from my side. I have created a 90 days foolproof roadmap where you can learn digital marketing, web development, website designing, WordPress, graphics, Canva, Adobe Photoshop. Lot of things you can learn within 90 days and you can start making money online. So with this, I am Dr. Mukund Kulkarni signing off. Let's meet in another such video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on notification bell so that you can get notification of my new videos. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.